Okay, so I set the stage. You were given an anchor chart with the information uh, to help you with this, so hopefully you have that in your notebooks or somewhere handy. But uh, essentially, you're going to set it up this way. You're going to have what your x is going to be, which they already give you, the domain. You have the -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. Those are going to be your x coordinates, and then you're going to have y equals x plus 4. So this you have to solve. So you'd put your -2 in for x, and -2 plus 4 is going to equal a +2. Then you have -1 plus 4, and that equals a +3. So I'm getting the information right here. So what is x? X is going to be 0, 0, and then we're going to have plus 4 because plus 4 is given to us in the equation, and 0 plus 4 is just going to equal 4. And we're going to keep going. We have the +1, so plus 1 plus that 4, and 1 plus 4 is going to equal 5. And then we have 2 for our x again. Here we put it, and then plus, and that 4 continues. And so 2 plus 4 is going to be 6. So in order to then graph this out, we're going to know that our x is going to be a -2 and y would be 2. So one of the coordinates is going to be a -2 and 2. The next one would be a -1 for x and a 3 for y. So hopefully you're seeing where I'm getting that information and this is making sense to you. And then you keep going. You're going to have a total of 5 coordinates here to then list on your graph. So the next one is going to be 0 and for x, and then 4 for y. And then after that, we're going to have 1 for x, and we would have 5 for y, and then we would have a 2 for x, and we would have 6 for y, and then we're going to go and plot them out. So first I'm going to go to -2, -2 on our horizontal line, so here's -1, and it looks like it is going just numerically, so like 1, 2, 3, so 1, 2 I can assume, so this is our -2, and then we're going to go up +1, 2. So there's our first one, and then for the next one it was the -1 and 3, so here's my -3. I'm going up to a +3, so there's my next coordinate. And then I'm going to go to 0 and 4. So here's 0, and then I travel up to 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then I'm going to look for 1 and 5. So here's my 1 on the x coordinate, and I'm going to go up to 5, which I see right here numbered. So there is the coordinate plot for 1 and 5, and then I'm going to do the same for 2 and 6. So 2 for x, which is on my horizontal, here's 2, and I'm going to travel up to 6, which that's 5, that would be 6, so that would be the next. And then you should see this happening to where you kind of have this diagonal kind of line taking place, just to give you an idea. You do not have to put this line, I don't believe. Go with what the teacher has asked for you to do, and I'll go back to the notes and see if I can find that. But here's the work for number 10. Hopefully this is helpful.